Now let me show you the PKE functions. If you want to turn on the PKE function, press the lock button, unlock button at the same time for more than 3 seconds. Hold on. Yes, you can see the red line on the remote is bring slowly. Now the PKE function is open. Now I will show you. Okay friend, let me show you the PKE functions. Now let me find away the testing machine. Find away. Okay, now is lock status. Yes, when we near the car, now is the unlock status. Yes, you can see. This is the PKE function. When the red light is blinking slowly,